All right, so we're out here in my container lab. This is basically a temporary space until I build the real lab. Over the summer, Clean Air Industries had me out to their distributor training to kind of speak on the status of the industry, the trends that I'm seeing, and in the process of hanging out with them for a few days, I got introduced to this Defender Downdraft table. So when we decided that the Downdraft table was the best option for my lab, I really wanted to see how it was made, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be able to do, and we'll see you in Georgia with Dunkin' Donuts coffee. We got coffee, we're headed over to Clean Air Industries out in Rome, Georgia. It's a lovely day out here. We brought the Pacific Northwest weather with us. You know, I'm really excited to see how this table is made. You know, made in America is kind of like a tagline that we hear all the time. You don't actually get a chance to see it, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So I'm here with Josh. Yeah, we're doing things. Josh was kind enough to give me a tour of their process beginning to end. It was so cool to see how this process has been done under one roof for so long and getting to meet all the employees that make this thing happen.
We want to be viewed as a filtration company, a solution to our customers, not just, hey, we can make this dust collector, right? We want to be able to tell them, we can make you the filters, we can make you the dust collector, we can make you the booth. We just want to, you know, solve the problem for you. We gotta get some sparks in the background.
Yeah, of course. This isn't a flimsy welding booth either.
No, it's not. I'm pretty sure we make everything out of our 10 gauge steel.
Nice.
So.
I brought all my stuff to weld. I'm glad they had some parts for me to weld on. I really wanted to get a feel for how this thing goes together. So this is the lower section of the Downdraft table. Like, I've had a couple different Downdraft tables and used a couple different brand Downdraft tables, but the ones that you guys make seem to definitely be the best.
Yeah, they're really good.
They're really robust.
Yep. Well, you look in the building here, we only have 2 high smokes up, and only one's running right now, and the place is smoke-free.
Yeah.
So that's a good product.
We do all our in-house painting. We don't outsource any of this.
Yeah.
Do you see the powder going around into the dust collector?
Yeah.
So that's a properly designed dust collector and booth set up there.
And it's only gonna get better.
That's right.
You've been here for, you said?
22 years.
22 years. Have you guys always used the Balder motors?
No, we've been using those for several years now.
Yeah, I've seen these a lot in the industry, and a lot of folks would argue
Yep.
these are the best.
They last a long time.
Yeah.
We don't have too many road crew visits to have to change motors.
Okay.
Yep.
Another cool thing that we do here that a lot of people outsource, we make our own control panel. This is where the fun people work.
What's the benefit of building panels like on your own versus getting them from some other place?
You know, a lot of times it can relate to lead times. You know, being vertically integrated where we can kind of control our own destiny is nice.
What else is next?
But I think we need to go check out the Defender.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Lock those guys back in there. This is really the exciting part, putting my own Downdraft table together. And it's particularly exciting for me because I optioned all the extra nonsense that we could add on this thing. So here's the Defender.
The cool thing about the Defender that we made is it's modular.
Man, I can't wait to weld on this thing. So they started making their own filters. Of course, they're blue.
No matter if it's a 4x3, 4x6, 4x9, it's all the same filter module.
All right, one of the most satisfying parts of something new. Oh yeah. Wait, is there another one? No way, check this out. 2 for 1. Yeah. One of the cool things about this table is
They've added HEPA filters. The fact that they offer this allows you to weld things like stainless steel inside your shop without having any of those fumes make their way out into the atmosphere. Right in the middle of foot point.
You know, we're still trying to come up with cool ideas and things to add to this.
I got a couple ideas we could talk about.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
I appreciate the tour, and thank you guys for setting me up with one of these. I cannot wait to have this thing in the lab. Yep, height's good. Your height is good. That's good right there. Go ahead and set her down. I told you I'd be excited. Like, as this thing comes together, I'm just gonna be like, oh yeah. Man, this thing is such an awesome piece of industrial hardware.
This right in here, that way everybody knows it's mine.
This table is nearly 10 feet tall. It has a 4x6 work surface. This is gonna be so prominent in the shop. I mean, you wanna talk about a conversation piece.